Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 83rd video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you to subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called why are human beings so irregular with prayers, right? This was a topic I covered in the last video. And today, I'm going to cover the topic called how do prayer help us. Okay, so this topic I'm going to cover in today's video. And the video number is 176 number video and the topic is how do prayer help us. So let's see what Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. Here are positive effects of prayer. You will be at peace. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling some positive effect about the prayer. That is that we will be always at peace. We will be cool, we will be calm and we will be relaxed, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. No matter what material wealth you possess or what your position or status may be in the early sense, peace of mind can be attained only by being on the godly good path. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri that if we do regular prayer then we will be at peace no matter how much money we have or what status we have in our society or what is our condition, but we will always be at peace, we will be cool, we will be calm and we will be relaxed, friends. Okay. In the earthly world a human being goes through ups and downs. However, once prayer is a part of your life, if you are activating your subconscious mind and the subconscious mind helps you to understand the very nature of those ups and downs. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri that in our life there are many ups and downs which comes, right? But we if we try to activate our subconscious mind, we will always be at peace in those ups and downs because our subconscious mind will always help us to understand those nature of ups and downs in our life, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri. You will not let a problem crush you. You will nor will you allow success to bring pride. So if any problem comes in our life, we are not going to get crushed, right? And even success is not going to bring pride in our life as sometime we become pride. Yes, we did this, we did that. So that is not going to happen, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshar Bhavnagari. Prayer keeps you calm and calmness is required during calamity. So prayer keeps always to us calm and calmness is very much required in the calamity. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. If you are calm and positive and you do the right thing during tough time, you are passing your test. So friends, here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshar Bhavnagri, if we are calm and positive and we are doing the right thing in our life, then we are going to pass the test, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshar Bhavnagri. And once test has been passed, the tough time pass as well. So this is also a very important statement, friends. Once we have cleared and passed our test, the tough time will also pass from our life. There is no question, this tough time will also pass. So you have changed the nature of external factor, tough time. So whatever external factor is there in our life that is tough time, we have changed that nature by the strength within calmness. So within the strength of calmness, we have changed our tough times in the life, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagari. If you stay calm, you are letting the tough time or negative external force shake the feeling of peace within. So if we are staying calm, so we are There many times we are letting the negative force shake the peace, whatever peace we are having within, that gets shakes, right friends? If we are becoming calm, so it is very important for us to be calm, friends, okay, in our tough time also. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. You will be restless and confused, and you will not have the calmness required to pass the spiritual test, okay. So if we are letting the tough time come on us, then we will not be able to pass our spiritual test, friends, right? And which is not correct. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. And until you pass your test, the tough time will stay. So until we are going to pass the test, the tough time is going to stay with us, and the tough lessons are going to come to us again and again, friends, okay. So we need to stay calm, and by becoming calm we are going to pass the test, and this tough time is going to go, and this lesson are not going to come again in our life, friends, okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. In fact, the longer you take to pass your test, the harder the test becomes. This is also very important. How much longer we take to pass this test, that much harder this test is going to become, friends, okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. Tough time become tougher because you have allowed the external force to disturb your inner state of peace, okay. So the tough time is going to become more tougher, so if we allow the external peace to shake in our life, friends, okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. Your vibration will improve. So if we pray to God every day, so our vibration is going to improve, friends, okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. Each prayer has a vibration or energy. When you pray, your prayer create positive energy, okay friends. This is very important thing, right? Each prayer have positive vibration and positive energy. So whenever we do prayer, so each prayer is going to create a positive energy and positive vibration within us, friends, okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. This positive vibration have a healing effect on you and those around you. So you are clearing up the negative vibration that surrounded you. So this positive vibration always have an effect on us and those who are near us. So we are always creating our cleaning our surrounding via prayer. So prayer is very important part of our life, friends, and we should be regular with our prayer, friends, okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. When negative people are around you, their energy affects you and drains you. So whenever the negative people are around us, their energy affect us and drain us. But if we do regular prayer, then we can clean those negative energy, and we can change those negative energy into positive energy, friends, okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. So be more aware and careful of people with negative energy. So we should be more aware and careful with people of negative energy, and we should understand which people are around us, those who carry negative energy, friends. And we should try to change those energy into positive energy. If you are fearful, proud, angry, depression, etc., by nature, you are lowering your own vibration and weakening your spirit. So friends, if we are fearful, if any point of time we are feeling fear, right, we are afraid, or we are getting proud, or we are getting angry, or we are getting depressed, that means we are weakening our spirit. We are letting the spirit go down, right? So this should not happen, friends, okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. Prayer help you clear the negative energy that surround you, so that a positive vibration can be built. So whenever we do prayer, so all that negative energy gets cleaned and the positive vibration builds, friends, okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. Your judgment improves. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari that our judgment improve, that we are able to take better decision in life, and we can go forward, and we can create a judgment which karma is going to benefit us, and which karma is going to create negative impact in our life. So we can judge, our judgment basically improves. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. When you pray, your own vibration clear up, and your negativity is erased. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that whenever we pray, our own vibration clear ups and our negativity gets erased. The black cloud of negativity that surround you is cleared, and your higher self become active. So the black cloud of negative energy which is being surrounded with us, that gets cleared, and our surround becomes super active, and it becomes positively vibrated and positively active, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. That is, your subconscious mind awakens and you become cool and calm and clear, and your judgment improves. So in this way our subconscious mind gets awakened, our judgment improves, and our mind become cool, calm and clear, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. When your judgment improves, your choice and more positivity. So whenever our judgment improve, our choice and more positivity, we can make more choices, and more will be becoming more positive, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Thus you are in a better positive to perform selfless good deed. As a result you rise spiritually. So thus we are in a very we can perform very much spiritual selfless good deed, friends. Okay, and as a result we rise spiritually, friends. Okay, so this Ripsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. You receive protection from the spirit world. So whenever we pray, do prayers, we always receive protection from the spirit world via good high good souls of our realm and all the angel and the guardian soul, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. Prayer is about you reaching out to the creator. So prayer is about that we are reaching out to the creator, we are reaching out to the god, we are talking to the god. So it is basically a connection between we soul and the god and the supreme soul, right, friends? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. You have to ask for God's guidance and protection. Without asking for it, you will not receive it. So without asking for God's guidance and protection, we are not going to receive it. So we every day we should sit, close our eyes and do prayer, and we should ask for God's guidance and protection, and definitely we will get, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. Even if something is good for you and you deserve it, spirit soul cannot give it to you if you have not asked. They would be going against your free will. So if something we deserve in our life, and even if it is good for us, for our spiritual benefit, but spirit soul cannot give us that thing, because it is against the free will of the nature, because in a nature there is a free will, right? That is, if we want to do anything in a positivity in our life or go forward, but we are not asking for it, so we are not going to get those energy, those healing spiritual energy from the spirit guides and from the guardian angel, friends. Okay, because we are not asking it, right? And it is going against the laws of the free will which God have made, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. So make sure you ask God to do what is best. So we should make sure that we should ask God to do what is best for us, right? We should not ask for a particular thing. I want this, I want that. Direct say God, God just do whatever is best for me, right? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. When you ask for protection, the healing energy that spirit soul sent you along with the positive vibration of your own prayer. So whenever we ask for protection, so the spirit energy and the high good soul send us good positive vibration for our spiritual development, right? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. Build a protective shield around you that will guard you from negative force. So we should always build a protective protective shield around us, and which is going to guide us from the negative soul, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. You will experience a solution to illness. So we are going to experience a solution to illness, right? So whatever illness we have, we are going to get a solution to it, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari. If you pray with faith and sincerity, you will be surprised at its healing power. So if we pray with faith and sincerity, so we are going to get surprised by its healing power, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari. Medicine is important, but nothing in this earthly world can match the power of prayer. So medicine is very important, and friends, and nothing in the earthly world can match to this power, friends. So power is very important, which we get from the spirit world. That is our healing energy, which is more and more very much 100 times more efficient than the medicines, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. If you believe in its power and if you deserve healing, it will be given to you. So if we believe in the God's power and if we deserve healing, we are going to get that because God is going to give us friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. Make sure that your physical mind is calm and clear and learn to open your subconscious mind more. So we should make sure that our physical mind is calm and clear and we learn to open our subconscious mind more and more, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. This will help you to receive or access the healing. So this is going to help us to receive or access the healing of the God, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. You will get the strength to put your spiritual knowledge into action. So we are going to get the strength so that we could put our spiritual knowledge into action, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. Having a spiritual knowledge is not enough. You may know the difference between right and wrong. So only having the spiritual knowledge is not enough. We should also know the difference between right and wrong. What is right and what is wrong for us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. But you need the strength to resist temptation and make the right choice. So even we also need to resist the strength and we could make the temptation, we could resist the temptation and make the right choice in our life, friends, for our spiritual benefits. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari, friends. Okay, that is what prayer does for you. It gives you strength to manifest the will of your subconscious mind. So this is what the prayer does to us. It gives us strength to manifest our willpower within us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. You will build faith. So friends, here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari that we are going to build faith, right? You must always keep in mind that the faith with which you pray is the utmost important. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari that we should always keep in our mind the faith in which faith we pray to God. It is more important. So we should be more and more faithful in God, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. If you pray with faith, your prayer will be powerful. So if we pray with faith, then our prayer is going to be powerful, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari, and will surely be answered, and our prayer is going to surely be answered by the high good soul of the and our guardian angel and the spirit guide, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. That answer help you to build more faith, continue the cycle. So this answer build us to this answer help us to build more faith and continue the cycle. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari, friends. Okay, you will be protected from black magic. So we are going to be protected from black magic, um, by any negative energy which is going by the negative people in this earth, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. The reason the earth vibration on the earth is low because human beings are including in occult practices such as black magic, BM, or witchcraft. So the negative energy in the earth is becoming more and more because there are many human beings those who get involved into the black magic, that is BM or witchcraft, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari, and we should save ourselves from black magic or any kind of negative energy. This is completely against God laws as it goes against someone's free will and is about using darkness for a personal gain. So or to control, to harm, or to manipulate. So this energy is completely against God laws because we are using this energy for our personal gain and to control and to harm and to manipulate other people, friends. Okay, so this is completely wrong and this is completely against the God laws. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. Black magic is an access of projected negative energy. So black magic is basically access of negative projected energy, and which should not happen, friends. Okay, so and we should always keep ourselves away 100 hands distance from this all kind of work, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is selling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. You may find it very hard to believe that it exists. Your logical mind will tell you that it is an age of technology, no such thing is possible. So many a time we may say that black magic doesn't exist, and it is a this is a scientific thing, right? It is a age of technology, and black magic doesn't exist. But the truth is that black magic exists, and it can be used for our personal gain. And we can harm other people by this. We can manipulate the society by this, but we should not do this because this is completely against the God laws. So this Vipsi and Ritu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. We would have found it very hard to believe too. So this is very important thing. If we were still on earth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri that it is they are telling their story, that Vipsi and Ratu is telling if when we were in the spirit earth world also, we also didn't believe. We also said that the black magic doesn't exist any kind of this kind of work because it is not possible. But now after coming in spirit world, we believe that black magic exists, right? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. But black magic is dangerous and has been prevalent on earth for thousands of years. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri that black magic is dangerous and which existed in the earth from thousands of years. We have to make people aware of it so that they can protect themselves through prayer and positive thinking. So we should make people aware by the concept of this black magic so that they could protect ourselves from the negative and the bad energy, and they could pray to God, and they could develop a positive thinking and positive energy, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. All dark practices are completely against God laws, just as prayer creates abundance of light. So all the dark and all these dirty practices are completely against the God laws. Only prayer creates a light of abundance. So if we do prayer, it is good, right? And we should all pray to God for our spiritual and the positive thinking, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri. Black magic create an excess of negative energy. So black magic is excess of negative energy, and which should not be accessed under any point of life or our any personal benefit, friends, or to manipulate other people or to create harm to other soul, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. There is no reason to be fearful, just be aware and understand that prayer is essential to protect you from this negative energy, and therefore one must always be totally positive and fearless. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri that there is no need to get fear from this black magic or any type of negative energy. It is only important that we should always pray to God so that we could protect ourselves from this kind of negative energy, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. So friends, this topic came to an end. And friends, as I always say that this book is this long and I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I've covered a topic called how do prayer help us. Okay, so this topic. And in our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called how long should one pray for. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving numbers to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43rd video, 46 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because friends, I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHA double TA CHAR JEE 1906, friends. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, as I always recommend you to read this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World, friends. Okay. So this book is going to give you a 360-degree dimension, so you can see your life in a new perspective and a new way, friends. Okay. So friends, this brings to end of today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and always stay happy. And let us do good karma and make this earth plane a place like heaven. Okay, friends, bye, goodbye. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, friends. Okay, take care.